Hi everybody, this is Amos from Emeralit. In last lecture, I gave a brief introduction of Oracle database structure. Also, I mentioned I will divide the whole database into process structure, memory structure, and storage structure in such three aspects to explain more individually. So today, we will explore Oracle process structure first. So let's move to emeralit.com and click on Wiki, search Oracle structure. So we click on view. Let's open the diagram. So simply speaking, the main part of Oracle RDBMS software consists of several computer programs written by C coding language and then being compiled into .exe binary file. After you download and install the package on your server, the major portion of the software will be saved under Oracle Home/bin folder. Bin means binary. If you move to Oracle Home bin folder, there is an executable file named oracle.exe, which contains all the code of Oracle background process required by each database. So this oracle.exe file is just a piece of computer program saving on the disk statistically. It can be analogy to a mathematical question printing on a piece of exam paper. So when you start the database, it is similar with asking one student to begin doing the exam. The student's brain is analogy to CPU of a server. When brain reads and tries to solve the problem, it is similar with that the oracle.exe program got kicked off and start running in the CPU. The brain needs several steps to resolve this mathematical question, and within each step, there are several variables. So brain needs a draft paper to perform calculation for each step, and to write down the value of each variable temporarily for further editing purpose. The draft paper is an analogy to a server memory, which only contains temp variables for each running process. So for each question, brain will reserve a blank area on the draft paper, and nobody else can use it. This reserved memory area is called Oracle System Global Area, or SGA in short. In addition, it is quite normal that one mathematical question contains several sub-questions. So similarly, the running oracle.exe process contains sub-process. So each process has certain purpose. Different database may have different process. But the required process for all database are DB writer process here, which is in charge of writing modified data block from memory into disk. Similarly, with writing final calculation result from draft paper to exam paper. Also, the required process including log writer, checkpoint, process monitor, and system monitor process. You can review the diagram for much further details. So the combination of Oracle running process and its reserved memory area is called one Oracle instance. Above is just the explanation of Oracle background process. In addition, Oracle has two more types of process. One is user process, one is server process. User process commonly works outside of the server, such as when you access database via SQL Developer remotely. The user process is SQL Developer.exe file in this case. So server process is like a representative of an Oracle database. So every time the user process sends over a connection request from remote server to database server, Oracle listener will capture the connection request first and searching a free representative. Since finding the free representative, listener will pass the connection request to this server process to initialize a database session. After session got stabilized, SQL commands such as select, update can be passed through user process to server process. And the server process will execute the command on behalf of user process in database. So also, server process has two modes. They are shared and dedicated. I will explain more in listener database connective lecture. In summary, in this lecture, we go through all three types of Oracle database process. They are background process, user process, and a server process. Also, we know what is the relationship between background process and a memory SGA. In addition, we learn the concepts that combination of background process and SGA is one Oracle instance. Hopefully, you can go to Emeralit.com, search keyword database structure in Emeralit wiki page to review further details of each kind of process. In next lecture, I will introduce Oracle memory structure. Please subscribe our channel and follow us tightly. Please feel free to leave your questions as a comment, and I will reply as my best. Thanks for watching.